uria wari murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa NHIF Geffrey Mwangi no ahumuke thutha wa cira uria uramugumiire wa Ngukumio ya muigana wa ciringi mbirioni 1.1 guteyanirio ni wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi. Cira uyu uria wambikirwo mwaka-ini wa 2018 weheretio thutha wa wabici ya DPP kuga gutirara na wuira muiganu wa guthitanga Mwangi na mahitia manana mamwe mamo ari uhuthiri muru wa wabici na kuheana tenda mugaru na watho kuri kambuni ya
application
Mwangi athitangitwo hamwe na andu angi 21 atatu mari maabitha a kambuni ya ĩrĩa yerikanaga ni aheirwo tenda ya kugathika mitambo ya kurogota mbeca no cira wao ukieherio ni wabici ya DPP mwaka-ini wa 2022.
The entire case relates to award of some tender on provision of services relating to collection of revenue. So there was the integrated revenue collection services which was being provided by a private limited company known as Jambo Pay. Jambo Pay bid for that tender competitively, it won it, and it provided services. It collected in excess of 80 billion on behalf of NHIF.
Cira uyu uteyanirio thutha wa mawakiri a Mwangi kwandikira wabici ya DPP kurora kere thitango cia Ngukumio iria cigumiire Mwangi makio gutirara na wuira muiganu undu uria ukindeirwo ni mucirithania wa igoti ria kuhurana na ungumania wakumile.
In this matter, I find that sufficient grounds have been laid in support of the application, and I therefore allow the case against accused number 2 to be withdrawn under section 87A of the Criminal Procedure Code.
Thutha wa cira wa Mwangi na maabitha a Jambo Pay guteyanirio mucirithania wakumile ni athite wabici ya DPP ithurime thitango iria cigumiire andu 17 aria mathitangitwo nao.
But again, I still insist, and as the prosecution has conceded, there is need to review this entire matter. I am now giving the prosecution 15 days to review the entire file and come up with the way forward.
We can expect there's a possibility that the DPP will terminate more charges against the remaining accused persons.
Itua riri ni riamukiritwo na gikeno ni mawakiri a Mwangi makiuga hatirari na uteti.
There's nothing political. I think that's the point in review and termination of charges. It is a purely legal procedure. The DPP charges on the basis that he has good grounds to charge, and you cannot fault the DPP for commencing charges against someone. But the DPP can also review those charges because the Constitution creates a legal framework for review of charges, be they corruption or ordinary criminal cases.
Mwangi riu aigirite mabuku-ini ma maabitha na aruti wira a thirikari aria mehereirio thitango thutha wa gwikora haceke hindi ya wathani wa President Uhuru Kenyatta, amwe ao ari munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua, a Minister Mithika Linturi na Aisha Jumwa, odumwe na aria mari arugamiriri anene a kambuni ya utambia wa thitima Kenta Rus na Ben Chumo.
Sureties for accused number 2 discharged. Cash bail, if any surety is discharged, if there's any cash bail, it should be refunded.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiku.